YouTube, what's going on there, guys? It's your boy Tony here with another TonyWinTV video. Welcome back to my channel, where it's the first video of 2019, where I hope everything is starting off great for you guys, okay? Now with this video today, it's going to be a very short and simple video, where today I'm just going to be doing a quick review, sizing guide, and showing you guys everything about the A.P.C t-shirt that you guys need to know before you guys purchase one. What made me really want to do this video is, again, as I was doing research before I bought this t-shirt, I did not find not one YouTuber that did a sizing guide to help you guys find out what's the best fit for you guys. So hopefully by the end of this video, you guys take off the key points of all the measurements that I give you guys, and hopefully you guys, when you guys buy a an A.P.C t-shirt, gets you guys a good fit. So other than guys, let's get into it, and yeah. So what made me really want to buy that t-shirt at the end of 2018, I ended up buying a pair of Petite New Standards A.P.Cs. This is literally basically 2 months in, as you guys can tell. I'll probably get into further reviews of my jeans and probably give you guys an update process every month, a little later down the road. But you can't have an A.P.C pair of jeans without a whole fit. So that's what made me get the shirt, okay? So other than that, guys, today we're about to get in a review of the shirt. Nothing too crazy. When you buy the package, basically this is basically what it comes in. The back stuff is basically just the return process stuff, and then they also give you like some postcards or some stuff that's currently within the new season. So if you go on their website right now, you can probably see some of these stuff right there. Just yeah. And of course in the back it has all of the locations and all the store numbers, and yeah, and that's it. Nothing too crazy. And again, with the second shirt that they give you, the second sheets that they give you, it's the return process if you decide you don't want it. So no, not too crazy. Boom. Nothing too crazy. I just wanted something simple that I can just wear under a flannel. Nothing too crazy in the back. Yeah, it's actually really good. 100% cotton. Retail on this tee was 75 bucks, but I did not pay 75 bucks. Caught this shirt on sale for about 37 and some change, so it was free shipping, which came really fast. So yeah, it came out to probably 40 bucks with tax. So other than that, guys, nothing too crazy to review on the shirt. Basically what I'm gonna do now is just put it on for you guys, and then let you guys know what's really good with the tee, and hopefully you guys dig the fit, and then it helps you guys purchase your next A.P.C tee without getting something too big or too small. So let's check it out. This is the shirt right here. Now, just a quick measurements on myself. I'm currently 5'9". I weigh about like 125, so I felt like a medium was perfect. When you go on the website, you'll see a model wearing the shirt, and also in the description it'll say the measurements and what size they got. The guy on the website was like 6'1", I believe, and he got a medium, so I felt like it would have been fit. I just felt like it would have been fit perfect, But this is not too crazy though, so if you guys are under probably 6 inches and you guys want to, not 6 inches, 6 feet, and you guys feel like, you want like a perfect fit, go medium. If you want something a little baggier, go to large, but this is just my medium that I purchased, so not too crazy. So again, guys, if you guys have any further questions, please leave them in the comment box. I would love to help you guys, pick something out, help you guys get everything with the perfect sizing. But other than that, guys, this is my A.P.C shirt. So if you guys made it to the end, I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Hit that subscribe button with the notification bell, just because I'm going to start uploading more frequently, at least 1 video a week. I don't know which date yet. I wish I can establish that with y'all. But other than that, guys, if you guys dig this video, again, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video, okay? You dig?